Prepositions are small words that pack a big punch in our sentences. They help us describe where, when, and how things happen. Let's dive into some examples to see just how powerful these little words can be. First, consider the phrase, accuracy was increased by repeating the test. Here, the preposition by shows the method used to achieve increased accuracy. It tells us that repeating the test is the action that led to better results. Now let's look at I fixed the light with a screwdriver. The preposition with indicates the tool used for the action. It's crucial because it clarifies how the light was fixed. Without that preposition, the sentence would lose its meaning. Next, we have Jeremy has wanted to be a musician since childhood. The preposition since tells us about the time frame of Jeremy's desire. It connects his aspiration to a specific period in his life, emphasizing how long he's held this dream. Moving on to time, the meeting resumes at 10:30 a.m. The preposition at specifies the exact time the meeting will start again. It's precise and leaves no room for ambiguity. Now let's talk about location. The conference room is through that door. Here, through indicates the direction you need to take to find the conference room. It's a simple yet effective way to guide someone. Another example is, the crushing machine is located in the mechanics lab. The preposition in tells us where the crushing machine can be found. It's essential for understanding the spatial relationship between the machine and the lab. However, prepositions can be tricky and often misused. Take dangerous chemicals should be used behind the safety screen. The preposition behind suggests a location that might imply safety, but it could also lead to confusion about the chemical's accessibility. Then there's every team member is behind the proposed changes. Here, behind indicates support, but it can be misinterpreted as being physically located at the back of something. Context is key to understanding the intended meaning. Lastly, consider the company is behind its competitors in terms of total revenue. In this case, behind means lagging or not performing as well, which is quite different from a physical position. Choosing the right preposition can completely change the meaning of a sentence. So, when using prepositions, it's important to think carefully about what you want to convey. A small change can lead to a big difference in meaning. For example, she is interested in art versus she is interested on art. The first is correct, while the second is not, and it changes the clarity of the sentence. In summary, prepositions are essential for expressing relationships in time, space, and manner. They can clarify meaning or create confusion, so always choose wisely. Understanding how to use them correctly can enhance your communication and ensure your message is clear.